Dear students, today we will take the warming up or chit chat activities of 4.2 PV Sindhu, an icon of success. So, I called to the Lakshmi. She will read first question. Okay, you listen carefully. Read yourself.
Do you like to play or watch the games?
Who will tell the meaning of this question? Stand up. You go to there. You come here. What is the meaning of this question? Means which read by Lakshmi.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಡುವುದು ಇಷ್ಟವಿದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡುವುದು ಇಷ್ಟವಿದೆಯೋ?
So dear students, do you understand? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Who will tell the answer? You go there. Come. What is the answer of this question, Chetan? Sorry, answer.
Yes, I like to play.
Yes, I like to play. This is the answer of the first question. Very good. Do you like to play or watch the games? Who will read the second question? Sneha. Come. Saujanya will read the second question. Come. Okay. Read yourself.
Which games do you like to play?
What is the meaning of this question? Who will tell? You will tell. Chetan, can you tell the meaning of this question? You will tell? What is the meaning of the second question?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಆಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟವಿದೆ?
Yes. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಆಟ ಆಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟವಿದೆ? Who will tell the answer? Answer you will tell? You go to yours.
Cricket, I go to play.
Cricket, I like to play. Very good. Who will read the third question? Kalburgi, do you read? Third question. Okay, come there. Come this. Read the third question.
What are some of
Our
local Indian games?
What are some of our local Indian games? You go to yourself. Who will tell the meaning? Lakshmi will tell. Okay, come here.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಆಟ ಯಾವುದು?
Yeah, barabar. Very good. Chalo. And who will tell the answer? Bhavani will tell the answer. Come here. Come here. This side. What are some of our local Indian games?
ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ, ಖೋ-ಖೋ, ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ or ಖೋ-ಖೋ
Are our Indian local games. Very good.
are our local Indian games.
Very good. Chalo. Who will read the fourth question? Chetan will read.
Who is your favorite sportsman?
Sports person.
Sports person.
Okay.
ಆನ್ಸರ್ maybe.
You come. What is the meaning of this question? Meaning, not answer.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಯಾರು?
Yeah, very good.
ಆನ್ಸರ್.
You come.
My favorite sport person is Virat Kohli.
Very good. So, you come. Read question number 5.
What game are played in Olympic?
What games are played in Olympics? Who will tell the meaning of this question? Meaning? 1 minute. You should always. Meaning? ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ನೀನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿ. ಚೇತನ್, can you tell?
ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಟಗಳು ಆಡಲಾಗುತ್ತವೆ?
Who will tell the answer? You go to your seat. Who will tell the answer? Answer. Chetan.
Running, jumping are played in Olympics.
Running, jumping, archery, gymnastics, shooting. So many games are played in Olympics. Okay, go to your seat. Thank you. Okay.